Unfortunately, it is not possible to reset the camera settings without resetting the whole device. However, you don't have to worry. Doing this won't delete any of your data and media. To restore the default camera configurations, open Settings. Go to General. Scroll down and click on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, then select Reset All Settings. Next, you will be asked to enter your passcode. Afterwards, hit Reset All Settings to confirm. According to Apple, this process will reset all settings including the network settings, keyboard dictionary, location settings, privacy settings, and Apple Pay cards, all of which will be removed or reset to their defaults. And as I've said, no data or media will be deleted. Other settings, such as your Apple Pay cards or Wi-Fi passwords, can be configured later. And that's it. If I can help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.